Why do we yawn when we see others yawn? Yawning may have evolved to synchronize group behavior. Yawns often cluster during particular times of day that coincide with transitions and activity. It also may have evolved to increase vigilance within a group. However, studies have shown that we tend to copy yawns more when we have a closer bond or relationship with the yawner. For example, if a family member yawns, you're more likely to yawn compared to a stranger. This is because of an empathic link our brains make that we empathize with the person yawning more and want to mirror their actions unintentionally. By the way, I know you feel like you're yawning right now. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.